Friends, my name is Asif Mapti. Welcome to my new course PHP Fundamental. So for one story, chapter, much more thing you need to have a solid understanding and understanding HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So if you confuse related point and topic, that's okay, no problem. But go back and think your mind of the question. Take grade finish one, but you ready to a programming language before, so I think you great fun. If you study HTML, CSS and JS and PHP, SQL, good knowledge of these programming language and the designing, so you build a good website. Thank you for watching my videos. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.